Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to check the new hairstyles and eyebrows in Heartopia. So as part of the half anniversary update, several new hairstyles and adorable eyebrows have been added to the game. And to check them out, just head to the Dorothy Salon on the second floor of her shops, this one. And then next, just simply tap on the mirror, this mirror, like this. And then inside this, you will find a selection of brand new hairstyles. Just scroll down like this, just scroll down until you hit the bottom, and then in here you will get several new hairstyles. Like this, you can see there is a comma slick back clip, and then short perm curls like this. I think so cute. And then like this, long perm curls like this. You can just choose the one that you like. And then after buying them, you can also freely switch between these styles anytime. You can also change their color to match your outfit or just create your own unique look. And then for the eyebrows, you will get the several unique eyebrows like this. I think it's so cute. Like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.